welcome back to our HighOh channel, and today we're going to address period panties kit. So if you take note of our update regarding our period panties, we started out with S, M, L and slowly expanding to XL and 2XL. The reason is because HighOh is a small family business. We don't have the budget to expand so many sizes, and we have to really steward our money well. So that is the reason why we have slow expansion, and currently right now our double XL period panties is out of stock. Thank you for your support. My sister and I are truly sincerely grateful for your support. So we are heading for a back order right now, so if you want to purchase, do head down to our website below and remember to apply our discount code so that you enjoy a 10% discount when you purchase our period panties. Alright, so yeah, my sister is at the back. Apparently we have to start on addressing the period panties issues because there are apparently a lot of FAQ from our customers, and yeah, let's dive into it now. First question, it says here, like, there's a customer saying asking, why are we sweating when we are wearing period panties? Of course, we'll be sweating if it's in a very heated environment or in an environment with high temperature. But the real reason is because our period panties have kind of slightly thicker fabric to absorb all the liquid, or rather the blood or urine, into these period panties. That is why we have this mesh to make it breathable. When you're wearing our period panties, make sure it's a maximum of 4 to 6 hours. Do not wear longer than that because we don't want to cause any trouble regarding your bottom area. Yeah, so do take note. Alright, the second question is how to fold period panties to the wetbag. Oh, that's easy. So you can take a look on our FAQ website on how to fold it, but apparently this is the period panties. Can just, so if it's a soiled period panties, all you need to do is just to fold it like that. Fold like that. Right, and this is your wet bag. You unzip it like this, and you just feed it in like that, and everything goes in the wet bag and nothing will leak out. So is that easy? Alright, so the next question is, how do you wash your period panties? Alright, our HighOh period panties can be hand washed. It can be put into the laundry or washing machine. No bleach, no softener, just normal soap or detergent would be fine. So the next question is, what are the sizes to choose? In our product page, actually, you can take a look at the sizes. Usually the sizes are accurate up to 99%, unless you measure it wrongly or something went wrong around there. But we usually go around these sizes. Is estimated, so do take note of the measurements right here. Alright, so the next question is, why are the period so the next question is, why are the period panties tighter than usual panties? Okay, the reason why our period panties are tighter than normal panties is because we want to make sure there is no leakage during your period or when you are sleeping. You don't want to create a national flag, right? So yeah, so if you take a look, this is our period panties, and usually it's a little bit tighter at the leg opening area. Alright, you have to understand that during the leg opening area, right, especially at this area, this is how you usually wear it. What is happening is that we have to tighten this area so that to prevent any leakage. Take note that furthermore, we have this mesh area. So my sister and I actually have this. If you take a look, it's actually double sewing method, which is our special sewing method in preventing leakage. If you take a look at our FAQ section, we actually show you that in the end, there is really no leakage for our period panties. Always take note that you only wear up to 4 to 6 hours for this. Alright, we don't want to cause any health problems. The next question is, how do you dry your HighOh period panties? Alright, so once you washed it, you can just head to the dryer or sun dry them or air dry it, or usually how my sister and I would dry it is just clipping onto the window rail and just let it dry. So yeah, that's all. That's the number of questions we have received. My sister and I would like to thank you for your support, and we will continually update our YouTube channel, and probably it will be this kind of setting because we realize is that in such setting it's much more comfortable for us to reach out to you, and it's not in a very professional setting, and we feel more connected to you. So if you love this kind of very close up YouTube channel kind of way of communicating with you, do tell us. We'll be uploading more of shorts and on TikTok, so that to show you a more of behind the scenes update. Black Friday, Cyber Monday was crazy, and our double XL period panties was sold out, literally sold out, and we truly thank you. So right now, if you have any more questions, regarding our period panties, please comment below or just PM us through Instagram, man. I mean, we are always there for you. Alright, so see ya. Bye.